These are the results of the men's 17 girls 100-yard backstroke. The second alternate for the New England Tigers, Alistair Reed. First alternate, Natalie Ernst, West Wildcats. Seeded ninth in tomorrow's finals from the South Eugene Hawks, Rina Zhao. From the David Douglas Scots, Jeremy King. Adelia Perot, West Salem Titans, Zoe Chen, Lakeridge Pacers. The fifth seed from West Lynn, Marlene Bernard. Olivia McKee from Jesuit. The third seed from the School of Champions, Ayana Winter. Haley Cranford, Lakeridge Pacers, seeded second. And the top seed for Pulling Overtime, 56-21. The Oregon City Pacers, Rowan Schmidt. Swimmers, 30 minutes to declare their intention to stretch. It's the